So, you got a 2x2. You have it scrambled, and you're like,
how in the world do I solve this thing?
Well, today, that's what I'm here for. Let's get into it. The first step to solving the 2x2 is to solve the white side. So, let's find any piece that we want with white on it. I'll do this one, because I like these colors. So, we're going to put it in the bottom front left, so right here. And we're going to look around the cube to see which piece has white and whatever color's facing you. So in this case, that's red. So what piece has white and red? And I see it's this piece. So this piece right here is in the top layer because it's above this piece. So that means that we can move the top layer until it's on top of where it's supposed to go. Now, to put it in there, we need to use what's called the right-hand algorithm. The right-hand algorithm is as follows. That's it. Now you just need to repeat that until this piece is in the right way. And look at that, it's in. There you go. Now we have to rotate over and find the next piece that's supposed to go in. It's this piece. So we have to do the right-hand algorithm. It's already above where it's supposed to go. And then rotate over. The next piece was also in the top layer. I was lucky. And there you go. You've now solved the white side. Now, while solving the white side, a problem that you might run into is that the corner that you need to solve is in the bottom layer. So right now we're trying to solve the next white-green corner, and it's over here. But it's not in the top layer, so I can't just move it over and do the right-hand algorithm to put it in. So what I have to do is rotate over to where it is, use the right-hand algorithm one time to get it out, then move back to where I'm supposed to be, and then I can move it over, because now it's in the top layer. And put it in. And if the next piece that you need to solve, or any piece that you need to solve, is in the bottom layer, again, you can just use the right-hand algorithm one time to take it out, and then solve it like normal. After solving the white side, the next step is to solve the yellow side. So here's how we do it. Flip the cube all the way over, and find a piece that is not facing towards the bottom that is yellow. So like this piece. Put it in the front bottom right. And then what we have to do is do the right-hand algorithm until it faces the bottom. Now you may have noticed, oh no, we've mixed up the white side. It's fine, it will resolve after we finish this. Then do a down move. So here's how you do that. Just grab the bottom and move it over. And we see that once we've done that, this piece is already facing the bottom, so we don't need to do anything with it. So do a down move again. This piece is not facing the bottom, so we do need to fix it. So we're going to do the right-hand algorithm until it goes in. And look at that, the white side becomes resolved, and when you flip the cube over, you've solved the yellow side. So, there you go, you've now solved yellow. That was easy. After making the yellow side face the proper way, the next step is to make all the pieces be where they're supposed to be, like on the white side. So here's how we do that. If there's a bar like this, put it on the left. If you are unlucky and get a case that has no bar, then what you gotta do is do this step anyway, from any direction, it doesn't matter. Do the right-hand algorithm 3 times. Turn the whole cube over this way. And you'll notice that the white from the right-hand algorithm, there should be a white piece facing up. And then do the left-hand algorithm 3 times. Now the left-hand algorithm is basically the right-hand algorithm, but mirrored. So you just have to do. And there you go. Now it looks like you've messed up your yellow, and you have, but I'll show you later what this actually does, and it actually does fix your cube. Now, a way I like to memorize the right hand and the left hand algorithms is up, over, down, back. Up, over, down, back. It makes it really easy to remember. The final step in solving your 2x2 is to repeat the second step where we got yellow to face the proper way. So again, turn it over, do the right hand algorithm on the ones that aren't facing down, down move, right hand algorithm, right hand algorithm, and you're done. And then all you have to do is move it to the right spot, the top layer, and there you go. You've now solved a 2x2. Congratulations. Memorize this and impress your friends, or your dog, or your, I don't know, your mom, or did I just say your mom? Oh no. Oh no, I just said a meme. I'm so sorry, everybody.